we're going to be making one of my all-time favorite, my sweet potato ground turkey platter. You could use ground chicken, ground turkey, you could even use ground beef. So we're going to be using some sweet potato, we're going to be weighing this out, some ground chicken, and some sriracha, some spices. We're also going to be using some ranch dressing. Now this is the fat-free ranch. We're going to put this on after. So we got our sweet potato, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to chop off the two ends, and then we're going to weigh it. Got 500 grams of sweet potato, okay? Careful with the knife. And now we're going to take the potato and we're going to put it face down on the plate. Okay, so just like that on the plate. Now we're going to take a piece of Scott towel. We're going to put a bit of water on it, get it a bit wet. And we're going to cover the sweet potatoes with the Scott towel. And the trick here is to microwave. We're going to use the microwave and we're going to pop this in the microwave for about this size, 10 to 12 minutes in the microwave. And trust me, it's going to come out perfect. You're saving a lot of time. It'll probably take you like 30 to 40 minutes in the oven, but you're short on time today. So we're putting this in the microwave for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so while the potato is getting ready in the oven, we have just enough time to cook our extra lean ground chicken. So basically all we're going to do is we're going to season this with some salt, pepper, and a bit of garlic powder. You could add your favorite spices, but for me, I'm just going to keep it simple, some salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. We're also going to be adding some veggies with this meal, so we're going to be doing some mushrooms, some bell peppers, and some onions. And let me show you how perfect they came out. So basically now it's cooked. It's nice and soft, perfectly cooked. Now to remove the skin, very simple. You're just going to grab it and you're going to peel it. Look at that. Simple. 10, 12 minutes in the microwave. Sweet potato on the plate. Add a bit of salt and pepper. Put it right in the center. Not too much. Just like that. Perfect.